1692 means we got shots fired at 4:15 ASF.
Are you working right now, or were you overtime? Are you working?
No, I'm Mary. Yeah, we're Mary unit. He fucking showed up and that automatic gunfire was just stomping around.
I was working OT there. Fucking ran over to Mandalay Bay and the Boulevard and fucking right over our fucking heads. Huh? It was a vantage point. We had no idea where it was coming from. We got pinned down behind a... Yeah, he was up...
He said he was like on the 32nd floor and had 2 rooms and he's going back and forth. Just dumping around.
Do they know like what his deal was yet?
They probably have an idea, but I was told 16 different weapon systems. From Mesquite.
Yeah, when we got there, I don't know why you don't could hear it. And then we finally started using the flashlight.
Oh, you did?
Tell which direction it was.
They're just coming right over our fucking heads, dude. It's fucking...
He was just dumping on the event, right?
He started dumping on the event, and then he saw all of us by the patrol car, started firing at us. We were pinned down behind the patrol car. There was 2 patrol cars there. I don't know, my vision was fucking like this. And then we had 2 teams of 8, and we started sounding Overwatch across the boulevard, the other team, just after it stopped. But I don't know if he fucking was sitting back reloading.
Yeah, there was some gas in between.
Well, he was probably mag changes and running back to the other room and shit, so...
South Central rally point, yeah, South Central, like halfway down, and they're like, never mind, just go back to our rally point, like Rainbow and Springtown.
He was fucking clearing 500 yards at least. Yeah. 500-600 yards at least. There's no way we would have been fucking able to make a shot with these rifles. They were too far away. We'd have to know fucking wind speed and fucking bullet drop, aim fucking a floor up for our bullet.
He wasn't aiming, he was just throwing rounds.
Fish in a barrel, dude.
Yeah.
There's so many people there.
Yeah?
We just started fucking dumping them in there.
Just one stage?
Yeah, there's just one main stage. I heard a 308, and I heard I heard a 308, and AR-10s were among the weapon systems found. Over 10,000 rounds.
Fired?
No, he had.
Oh. He fired probably a couple hundred just while we were standing there.
Yeah, 10,000 would be like, fuck. Gosh.
That's our boys. Use your bathroom.
I peed a little bit when I was getting shot at.
Yeah, I did.
Just a little bit.
I did too. Yeah.
Next week's Bike Fest too.
What's that?
Next week's Bike Fest.
Oh. We're going to TV for at least a week.
I think. But I don't know when fucking Vital, or not Vital.
Yeah, 12 hours now. Almost.
What time do you start?
3.
Oh.
Swing shift.
Oh yeah, my overtime started at 5. I was supposed to be done at 1.
Oh. Oh, I took OT.
Yeah, I was OT. I was at the festival. And you know what's crazy is I was thinking earlier, well, last week I worked Life is Beautiful, and I worked Sunday, and we were told that, hey, if anything's going to happen, today's the last day, it's going to happen today. Nothing happened. Yeah, Life is Beautiful. So just be ready, everybody. Well, shit. No, this. We didn't hear that fucking statement. And I was there too on that, dude. That was fucking insane.
But it wasn't
That was fucking a cluster.
Yeah.
Everybody running with their heads cut. I don't know how anything went, cause I fucking.
When we went up in our elevator, half the guys hit our elevator.
Huh?
When we went up in our elevator to the service elevator, like half our guys hit it. Like, they never, like, went out, they were all like, looked back, and it was like, one stack had 2 guys, and my stack had 3 or 4.
Officers hid?
Yeah,
Like they hid? They weren't going up? I got there, I was part of the casino clear.
Oh, sorry, they both did. I was after they both
Let's leave names out for camera purposes, but yeah, that's insane. So
My camera broke today.
Hmm.
Don't know how.
I got my flag.
Don't know how. It just